Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by securing the essentials so you can act immediately. First, confirm your legal structure and register. This protects you and enables contracts. Once that's done, separate finances, open a business account, set a bookkeeping tool, and create a 3-month runway. Next, block your calendar. Carve specific business hours around your job, include buffer slots, and prioritize high-impact tasks. Make sure to set communication boundaries with your employer and clients so you avoid conflicts as you launch. Once you have time and money organized, focus on reliable operations so growth doesn't break you. Document repeatable workflows for client intake, delivery, and billing. Templates save hours and reduce errors. Then automate routine tasks. Use invoicing, scheduling, and email sequences to preserve your limited time. Make careful hires. Outsource specialized or low-value tasks at around 20 to 30% capacity so you stay strategic. Finally, measure turnaround and customer satisfaction. Iterate your process based on those metrics to scale steadily. To finish each cycle, lock predictable delivery and financial controls so your dual role is sustainable. Finalize your service packages, set clear pricing tiers, and publish delivery timelines so clients know what to expect. Reconcile books monthly, set aside taxes, and grow a 6-month reserve to absorb dry periods. If problems arise, missed deadlines, or cash pressure, act fast, reassess scope, add time buffers, and communicate transparently with stakeholders. That single troubleshooting habit prevents small issues from derailing both your job and business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.